Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I will be taking you through how I made a beautiful logo for my music production business, Chords Production, using vector motion. Let's go. 1. Name your project. Click the settings icon. And turn on the following: ruler, grid, guides, snapping. Two. Pick your pen tool, zoom in. And place the pen at this angle. Count 3 boxes and place it on the third box. Count another 3 boxes horizontally and draw. Three. Adjust the nodes to snap to the boxes like this. Now you should have an L shape on your screen. Four. Pick your pen and follow the same procedure to create one figure shape. Five. Now duplicate the L shape. Go to Geometry, under Rotation, change the Y-axis from 0 to -180. And change the Z-axis to 180. This will flip the L shape. 6. Adjust the shape's position. Change the color by following these steps. As I mentioned, the name of my music studio is Chords Production. The concept behind the logo is that the middle symbolizes a piano icon. This area represents the number 4, and the overall shape is that of a microphone. Show how much this logo is worth. Drop your views in the comments section. The background music was made by me. You can join my other YouTube challenge, Chords Production, to learn more about music production.